Have you ever felt like your happiness hinges on someone else's approval? That your joy is tied to fleeting moments of validation? What if there was a way to find profound happiness and independence within yourself? Welcome to a journey where ancient wisdom meets modern challenges. Today, we delve into the timeless teachings of Stoic philosophy, a path that promises not just resilience, but true inner tranquility. Stoicism, born in ancient Greece and Rome, offers a profound antidote to the chaotic and often unpredictable nature of human emotions. It teaches us that happiness is not found in the external world or in the opinions of others, but within our own minds. At its core, Stoicism invites us to cultivate a mindset of resilience and self-reliance. It encourages us to focus on what is within our control, our thoughts, actions, and attitudes, rather than on what lies beyond our influence. Central to Stoic philosophy is the idea of maintaining a sense of inner calm and contentment irrespective of external circumstances. This does not mean suppressing emotions or denying the challenges we face, but rather embracing them with a rational and clear-eyed perspective. By practicing Stoicism, individuals learn to differentiate between what they can change and what they cannot, thereby freeing themselves from the grip of external validation and fleeting pleasures. Imagine waking up each day with a deep-seated peace that comes from knowing your happiness is not contingent upon the approval of others or the achievement of specific goals. Stoicism teaches us to find joy in the present moment, to accept life's inevitable ups and downs with equanimity, and to cultivate virtues such as courage, wisdom, and justice. It invites us to live in harmony with our values and principles, guiding us towards a life of purpose and fulfillment. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, the principles of Stoic philosophy offer a timeless refuge, a sanctuary where individuals can retreat to find solace and strength amid the turbulence of daily life. By embracing Stoicism, one learns to navigate relationships, setbacks, and uncertainties with grace and resilience. It empowers individuals to reclaim agency over their own happiness, fostering a deep-seated sense of independence and inner peace that transcends external circumstances. As we embark on this journey through Stoic philosophy, let us explore how its teachings can serve as a guiding light in our quest for lasting happiness and fulfillment. Through introspection, mindfulness, and a commitment to living in accordance with our truest selves, we can discover a profound sense of joy that emanates from within, an unshakable happiness that no external validation can diminish. So, take a moment to pause, reflect, and consider the transformative power of Stoicism, a philosophy that promises not just resilience, but a profound and enduring sense of inner tranquility. In the hustle of modern life, amidst the clamor of responsibilities and the relentless pursuit of success, it's all too common to find ourselves overwhelmed by forces beyond our control. The pressures of meeting others' expectations, the uncertainties of relationships, and the myriad of external demands can easily lead to a sense of disorientation and discontent. Yet, what if there's a different path? One that leads not outward, but inward. Stoicism offers a compelling philosophy in such turbulent times. It suggests that true happiness and resilience begin with a shift in focus from external validations and uncontrollable circumstances to the realm of our own thoughts and actions. Rather than futilely attempting to dominate the uncontrollable forces of life, Stoicism invites us to embrace a mindset centered on what we can influence, our attitudes and responses. Picture a life where challenges are met with equanimity, where setbacks serve not as defeats but as opportunities for personal evolution. This is the essence of Stoic resilience, a philosophy that advocates for a proactive, introspective approach to life's adversities. It's about cultivating a mental fortitude that allows us to navigate the complexities of existence with grace and wisdom. In practicing Stoic principles, one learns to accept the inherent unpredictability of life while simultaneously honing the ability to respond with clarity and purpose. It's not about passive acceptance of fate, but rather an active engagement with reality as it unfolds. By tempering our desires for external validation and relinquishing the illusion of control over external events, we liberate ourselves to focus on what truly matters: our internal state and the choices we make in response to the world around us. Imagine, then, a mindset where each challenge becomes an opportunity for growth, where every adversity becomes a stepping stone toward greater resilience and wisdom. This is the promise of Stoicism, a timeless philosophy that continues to resonate in our fast-paced, ever-changing world, offering a pathway to inner peace and enduring happiness amidst the chaos of modern life. Stoicism, often perceived as a philosophy of personal resilience and inner strength, transcends individual growth to profoundly impact our relationships. At its core, Stoicism emphasizes the cultivation of virtues such as wisdom, courage, and justice, guiding individuals towards self-improvement and inner tranquility. Paradoxically, by prioritizing these virtues, we naturally enhance our attractiveness and memorability to others. In the realm of relationships, Stoicism advocates for prioritizing self-growth over seeking external validation. When individuals focus on refining their character and managing their emotions with Stoic principles, they not only fortify their own resilience but also foster deeper, more authentic connections with those around them. Rather than relying on fleeting external affirmations, Stoicism encourages individuals to develop enduring qualities that resonate with others on a deeper level. This philosophy prompts individuals to approach relationships with a sense of clarity and purpose, navigating challenges with resilience and empathy. By embodying Stoic principles in everyday interactions, individuals not only enrich their own lives, but also contribute positively to the well-being and understanding within their relationships. Stoicism thus offers a timeless framework for nurturing genuine connections based on mutual respect, understanding, and the pursuit of virtue. Stoic philosophy places a profound emphasis on independence and emotional resilience as fundamental virtues for leading a fulfilling life. At its heart, Stoicism teaches us to confront our emotions with awareness and rationality, rather than being swept away by them. This approach empowers individuals to maintain inner tranquility and clarity, even in the face of adversity. Rather than seeking transient pleasures or external validations, Stoicism encourages us to focus on cultivating virtues aligned with our core values, such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. By prioritizing these virtues, individuals can navigate life's challenges with grace and integrity, making decisions that contribute positively to their own well-being and to society as a whole. This philosophy calls for a deep introspection into what truly matters in life, urging individuals to seek fulfillment through meaningful actions and connections rather than through material pursuits. By practicing Stoic principles of emotional resilience and independence, individuals can foster a profound sense of purpose and contentment, grounded in their ability to respond thoughtfully and constructively to the complexities of existence. Ultimately, living a meaningful life, as espoused by Stoicism, involves not only understanding oneself but also actively striving to make a positive impact on the world, guided by enduring principles of virtue and ethical conduct. As we conclude this journey through Stoic philosophy, one thing becomes abundantly clear. True happiness eludes the grasp of external circumstances. Instead, it resides within our responses to adversity, success, and every moment in between. Stoicism teaches us that happiness is not a fleeting product of material wealth or transient pleasures, but rather a steadfast state cultivated through resilience, integrity, and purposeful living. The Stoics, from Marcus Aurelius to Epictetus, remind us that the world will always present challenges, but it is our inner disposition that determines our experience of these challenges. Reflecting on these timeless principles invites introspection. Are we prepared to embark on a journey toward inner peace and fulfillment? It necessitates looking inward, embracing our ability to choose how we perceive and react to life's ebbs and flows. This journey demands honesty with oneself and a commitment to living in harmony with our values. So, as you ponder these ideas, remember, the key to unlocking true happiness and contentment lies not in changing the world around you, but in mastering the world within yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.